Foldable bikes are a versatile and often overlooked cycling option. A foldable bike is a cycling problem solver and a bundle of fun packed into a small and convenient package. From lightweight single speeds and cruisers to bikes with electric assist motors, there is likely a foldable bike out there to suit your cycling needs. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Our list begins with the Dehan Ezed D3 folding bike. With tiny 16-inch tires and a unique concealed frame hinge, and is the only folding bike of its kind. Folding and storing this bike is as easy as the name suggests, while the addition of a 3-speed Shimano rear derailleur and micro shifter increases the bike's gear range and folding convenience. This bike is a high-tech masterpiece with a frame-integrated folding hinge and a Brompton-like rear folding triangle. But as usual, Dehaan went all out with the components. Plus, it uses an all-weather chain to the sealed bearings. They made sure that your bike was ready to go wherever you go. Next up on the list, we have the Schwinn Adapt 3 folding bike. It is designed to fit a wide range of bikers. Ditch headache-inducing traffic and bike to work with this convenient 9-speed folding bike and included rear carrying rack. A lightweight alloy frame, 20-inch alloy wheels, and a suitable folding system are easy to carry, easy to fold, and easy to store. This folding bike comes with full wrap fenders and reflective sidewalls for increased visibility. The light frame and pedals fold into a compact shape that's perfect for commuting. Store it under your seat on the train or under your desk at the office. The unusual Utransformer folding bicycle comes with a dimension of 20 inches, great for ensuring both exercises and commuting. The derailleur gear parts and the rear V-brake are uniquely designed for durability, while the Shimano 6-speed shifter and the semi-alloy front are framed with metallic structures. It features a sturdy 20 by 1.75-inch tires from the Wanda trademark. Its silver color cap alloy, along with PVC black bell, resists temperature effects and is easily removable. This bike's 6-speed capabilities entail gears and shifting options to tackle city streets, hills, sharp curves, and open roads. The rear mudguard prevents filth from depositing all over you when biking in various conditions. The bike's foldable frame makes for secure, compact storage. The next product on the list is the Retrospec Bicycles Spec. It has an aluminum frame, which is 30% lighter than our competitor's steel, and chrome alloy framed folding bikes. It has 20-inch wheels with Kenda Quest commuter tires, with a smooth rounded tread, with large water dispersion grooves. It enhances maneuverability, makes quick acceleration, weighs light, and takes minimal storage space. It also provides a single-speed feature that is made easy, particularly for urban riders, to ride and commute on flat roads in any weather conditions. Besides, it is equipped with a coaster brake that functions as a rear brake, which is activated by pedaling backward. Another advantage is that the specially designed commuter tires allow a large amount of water dispersion. Meet up the all-new Schwinn Loop adult folding bike. It has a super low standover aluminum frame that allows for easy access, while the large fold-down rear basket allows for maximum storage. Also, it features full wrap fenders, Springer seat, and swept back handlebars for comfort. Besides, the broad upright handlebars adjust from 37 to 40 inches and provide a 1-speed design that allows for mechanical simplicity and low maintenance. Moreover, it has 7-speed Shimano grip shifters with the Shimano rear derailleur for quick and smooth gear changes, which will come in handy on windy days and on city streets, more hilly than they look. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the Dehaan Boardwalk. This folding bike is made out of chrome, making the motorcycle virtually indestructible, and weighs itself 27.3 pounds. The seat is adjustable and can either be entirely replaced or adjusted regarding height. And the bike can hold up to 230 pounds or 105 kilograms. Besides, it has no derailleur and, therefore, only one single speed. It is designed as a city bike, and it can be used on bumpy streets. Moreover, it features 20-inch wheels and coaster brakes. It also offers a front handbrake for better stopping power. Another advantage is that the frame is made out of high tensile steel, so it's going to be sturdy, yet still lightweight. On the other hand, there's a reflector at the front and rear, and on the wheels and pedals, to help you keep safe at night. Hope you folks enjoyed our work. If so, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Stay tuned with the channel for more videos.